Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about chemical engineering GATE 2022 chemical reaction engineering questions with solution. GATE 2022 question paper and answer key link is available in my description box. You can download it. Question number 26. The reaction A gives B is carried out isothermally or constant temperature on a porous catalyst. The intrinsic reaction rate is kCa squared, where K is the rate constant and Ca is the concentration of A. If the reaction is strongly pore diffusion controlled, the observed order of the reaction is. Objective of this question is to determine the observed order of the reaction. We have four options. Correct option for this question is option C. I am going to explain how is it. Data A gives B. So rate of reaction minus RS equal to kCa squared. K is equal to rate constant. C is equal to concentration of A. Strongly pore diffusion controlled. Objective of this question is to determine the observed order of the reaction. Solution part: N observed is equal to N actual plus 1 by 2. We want N actual value. So from the rate of reaction, we should take N actual is equal to 2. Why? Because minus RES equal to kCa square. Actual order of the reaction is equal to 2. Substitute here. N actual is 2 plus 1 by 2. Finally, we get 3 by 2. So, answer for this question is option C, that is N observed is equal to 3 by 2. This is observed reaction rate. See here, this is option C, that is 3 by 2. This is a correct option for this question. Next question, question number 27. In an enzymatic reaction, an inhibitor I compete with substrate S to bind with the enzyme E, thereby reducing the rate of product P formation. The competitive inhibition follows the reaction mechanism shown below. Let concentration of S and concentration of I respectively and Rs be the rate of consumption of S. Assuming pseudo steady state, the correct plot of 1 by minus Rs versus 1 by concentration of S. Competitive reaction mechanism: E plus S gives ES. So K1 is the forward reaction rate constant, K2 is the backward reaction rate constant. So E into S gives E plus B, K3 is the rate constant. E plus I gives EI, Ki is the forward reaction rate constant, K minus I is the backward reaction rate constant. In this question we have four options. Correct option for this question is option A. I am going to explain how is it. Data competitive inhibition reaction mechanism: E plus S gives ES. Here K1 is the forward reaction rate constant, K2 is the backward reaction rate constant. E into S gives E plus P, K3 is the forward reaction rate constant. E plus I gives EI, Ki is the forward reaction rate constant, K minus I is the backward reaction rate constant. Objective of this question is to determine the find the correct plot of 1 by minus Rs versus 1 by concentration of S. Solution part: enzyme reaction mechanism from Michaelis-Menten equation. V0 is equal to Vmax into concentration of S divided by Km plus concentration of S. So 1 by V0 is equal to, this is reciprocal or reverse, Km plus concentration of S divided by Vmax into concentration of S. So 1 by V naught is equal to, this is separate into two part. First part Km divided by Vmax into concentration of S plus concentration of S by Vmax into concentration of S. Here concentration of S is cancelled. Finally we get 1 by Vmax. So this equation y is equal to mx plus c. So from these 1 by V naught is a y, 1 by concentration of S is a x. So with the intercept 1 by Vmax, that is c. Slope m is a Km by Vmax. Okay, this graph plot between 1 by V naught versus 1 by concentration of S. So in this problem we have the competitive inhibitor reaction mechanism. Competitive inhibitor condition Km is increased, Vmax is a constant. So in this graph plot between 1 by V naught versus 1 by concentration of S. So here Km values are increased. What about the Vmax? Already I said this is a constant value. So here this is no inhibition. The inhibition present means this is a Km dash. So here the Km values are increased. So next one is the uncompetitive inhibitor. So the Km decrease, Vmax also decrease. So this is inhibition present, this is no inhibition. So here the Km decrease, check this. Okay. So next one is a non-competitive inhibitor. Km is equal to constant. So both Km and Km dash. This is inhibition present, this is no inhibition. So both at the same point. Okay, Km and Km dash. So the Km is a constant, Vmax is a decreasing one. So from these we come to know option A is a correct option for this question. So here option A, this is increasing I, no inhibition, 1 by minus Rs versus 1 by concentration of S. So this is a correct option for this question. For further related videos you can like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.